Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to access ESPN Plus on a Disney Plus. So if you've bought a Disney Plus bundle through Disney Plus, and if you're having issues logging into ESPN Plus, what you need to do is open a disneyplus.com on a web browser or a mobile browser. Either one is fine. Then you enter your email, click on continue, enter your password, and select login. Then you need to select your profile, and on the home page you need to navigate to your account page. Okay, so if you're on a web browser, you hover over your profile icon at the top right corner and click on account. If you're on a mobile browser, you tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then you look for the verify account alert banner and select verify account, and just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification. And once your account has been verified, you just log into ESPN using the same email address and password that you has used when signing up for your Disney subscription, okay? And just note guys, sometimes it may take a few minutes for your bundle credentials to sync with ESPN Plus, and it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.